Hello everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Drift. Number 232 over 250, so let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the Volvo 240 in this dark pink or dark maroonish pink, I think. So basically this is a drift wagon, which means this is used for drift events similar to the Nissan Maxima actually. Yeah, it kinda seems similar to the Maxima, which I've just reviewed previously. Yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So here's the Volvo 240 wagon. It's quite heavy actually. Maybe it's because of the whole body, I'm not so sure. It has blacked out wheels. Even the rims are black. On the side, it kinda seems like it doesn't have anything, but it actually does. So if you show it to the light, you can actually see something. Let me see if I can show it up. So it has some stripes on the side which you cannot really see at first glance, but you can actually see Hot Wheels, and you could actually see the number 240 on the side of the door, the front door of course. The rear door has the Hot Wheels logo, which quite insane. I mean, like, from up far you wouldn't see that this car has any design or whatsoever. Yeah, if you see it from this view, it does not have any design, but when you look at it up close and you show some light to it, you can kind of see something. You have some, I think, exhaust pipes on the side in chrome silver. Looks pretty great. Front, you have the headlights in yellow actually. I'm surprised that the headlights are yellow, as well as the windshield and the roof. I'll show you later for the windshield and roof. So you have a chrome silver front grille, as well as a gray front bumper, which is connected to the base. You can see apart from the engine, it's a bit exposed, but not as exposed as the Nissan Maxima, but you can kind of see a bit of it in chrome silver as well. As you can see, for the interior, it's fully chrome silver, which attracts people's eyes if they were finding a car like this. I mean, like, you could see that even the windows are yellow, even the roof. I like the roof because you can fully see what's inside, kind of similar to the Dajiban with the exposed roof. Hold on, let me try to grab the Dajiban to show you. Yeah, you can probably see there. The Dajiban has an exposed roof, of course the sunroof. Same goes for the Volvo. I don't know why Hot Wheels likes to pick some random colors for the car and throw in some random colors for the window. Even like just now, I took the purple Dajiban. It had blue windows, whereas this one is in red. Turns out it has yellow windows and yellow roof. I don't know why they do it. Maybe they want to attract more people to buy it or so, I'm not sure. Now here's the crazy part. The back, you can see Hot Wheels Drift license plate at the back. You have the rear lights, which are pretty nice, and you can see that this car has an interesting Easter egg. If you look closely at the back, you can see there are two dogs staring out to the back of the car. You can see that the back of the car does not have any window. So what you can see inside, you can see two dogs looking out looking out the car itself, and it does not have a window, so you can actually feel the tip of the dogs right here, which looks pretty insane. I think those two are dogs, supposedly. I think they are dogs, I'm not too sure, but I do feel as if they are dogs. And then you have this tiny extended spoiler here on the top, and that's it for the exterior of the body. Let's move on to the base. The Volvo 240 Wagon 2022 Mattel, made in Malaysia. I have one interesting question though. Why does it say 2022 Mattel if it's supposed to release in 2022? So like normally, if the car is meant to release in 2022, it means that the production date stated on the bottom of the base is supposed to be 2021. But for some reason this one is 2022, which does it mean this is meant for 2023? I have no idea, but it is what it is. Let me know down in the comments whether this car is maybe meant for 2023, or maybe they just pulled it to 2022 and just slaps it into the end case. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. And it has a gray base, by the way. And yeah, let's sit on the turntable. To be honest, the Wagon is great, just that they should take some different colors maybe. I mean, it's fine in this type of maroon-ish pink, but it seems quite weird. I just realized something. The front of the wheels and the rear are different. I think I need to show you this. I just realized until now. I didn't realize it just now. So the front of the wheels, they are the disc wheels in black, but the rear ones are different. I just realized that. Nice, interesting detail for the car. I would suggest you to pick this car up, but for those who don't like drift type of cars, or maybe drift type of wagons, I wouldn't suggest you this. But if you decide to pick it up, then maybe add it to your collection, or maybe your Volvo collection if you want to. There you go, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.